Hi, Hoover. This is Mrs. Myers coming to you from the guidance office with a hopefully quick tutorial on Naviance and how to use it. Naviance is a college and career planning tool that all students in grades 9 to 12 have access to. They all have a Naviance account, whether they realize it or not. Their Naviance account is linked to their Hoover Google account. So I'm going to take a few minutes to explain how students can log in and some basic navigation that they should know as they use the tools within Naviance. So the first way you can log in, there's really two ways, students. And the first way, perhaps the easiest way, is simply by being logged in to your Google account, your Hoover Google account. And normally when you're in your Gmail or Google account, you can see in the upper right-hand corner here, students, is the square of squares. It's a box of squares. And students, if you look for the Naviance logo right here, you can click on that and you will automatically seamlessly be signed into your Naviance account. So that is one way. The other way to log into your account, students, is also by being logged into your Gmail account. So you already have to be in your Hoover Google account. You can go to our login screen here. Parents, this is where you will go as well. So students, if you get to this page, you would identify yourself as a student and you would click this button here, single sign on. Parents, if you were trying to log in, you would return to this website here. You would identify yourself as a parent or a guardian. And here you would need to enter your email and password that you use to create your Naviance account. So if you haven't done this yet, you would click I'm new and need to register. Now you can see it's prompting you for a registration code. This code would have been emailed to you either last year or this year if you're a current freshman. We understand you get a lot of emails from us, and sometimes email addresses change or you just don't read it. That's okay. Reach out to your school counselor and get that registration code if you are a parent or guardian and you would like to make your account. Once you make this account and you sign in with your email and whatever password you make, you will have access to your student's account too to see what they're doing in there and the things that they're researching or favoriting and things like that. So students, I'm in a demo account in Naviance right now. So just some quick navigation. When you sign in, we call this kind of like your home screen, your landing screen. There are some things here, quick links, if you will. A lot of times we might assign a certain task to certain grade levels and those would populate here. But students can also create their own goals and those would populate here within Naviance. So maybe they wish to add their homework assignments, or maybe they wish to add just a general goal, take the ACT by such and such a date. They can click on this button and they can add goals that are unique to them. And then Naviance will remind them to do those things. But as I said, we may also assign them tasks that populate there too. The most of the tools that a student may access, especially freshman, sophomore, and junior here, will probably be under the About Me tab. There's a variety of assessments within Naviance that are very beneficial. And here's a quick list. Now, in the Google Doc that I have shared previously, you can get a summary of each of these assessments. We've tried to identify the proper or best grade level for a student to complete some of these things. And that's all in that Google Doc that I've shared. So a student can come in here truly any grade level and do any of these assessments. But as I said, we tried to specifically assign them to each grade level appropriately. There may also be some surveys in here that we assign to students. For example, if I'm in the 9th grade, there's a survey available for all freshmen, and it's called the Counselor Connection, and this is a method, a survey that we give to freshmen each year. Sometimes it was done in paper. This is the 2nd year we've done it in Naviance. And it just gives the counselor a chance to get to know their students, their freshmen, better. So the freshmen could answer some of these questions. There is the option for students to create a resume in here as well. They can click there and enter information. This is especially useful if the student is younger. Say they're earning varsity letters, academic letters, they're completing community service, or just earning some kind of award or achievement. Come senior year, when they're expected to share that information on college applications, it can be really challenging to remember those things. So students in grades 9, 10, or 11, it's a great opportunity for you to come to the resume here in Naviance and start entering that information. Naviance then lets students pull this resume out in a few different formats of their choosing. We also load test scores into Naviance, and when I say test scores, I specifically am talking about ACT scores, PSAT scores, SAT scores, and AP scores. Those are uploaded on a regular basis in Naviance. So if your students are wondering, gee, I forget what my scores were, and they've taken it, chances are they'll find that in here. We also have students' information pertaining to their GPA. They can find that in here as well. As students start completing tasks or surveys in here, they can click on those things and refresh their memory or see what they have completed and revisit those items and pick up right where they left off too. So that is some of the About Me features. I really encourage students to click around at their heart's content, be curious, and just find out more and explore on your own too, beyond what I'm even covering in this video. The career tab, I think, is really beneficial for students, especially starting in the sophomore year. Sophomore year students can begin to choose career tech programs to go into for junior year. Some of our programs, they actually begin sophomore year, but the majority of them start junior. So we have 9 programs in-house, career tech programs in-house, and the resources available here in the career section would help a student refine and identify what their career plans, their aspirations, their interests are. And they could pair that with what classes am I selecting at Hoover now for the rest of high school. But beyond that, a junior might use these tools to determine what schools offer the major that best fits me, and what does that career income look like? What kind of education is required? What kind of skills or tasks would that person in that career field or that specific job be expected to do? So the career tab is a nice place for your student to do some research about themselves and figure out what's out there and what might be a good fit for me. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time going in each of the things available here, but I'm telling you they are worth the time looking at. And again, these are the things that we have specifically identified by grade level in that Google Doc that we shared that are recommended activities. So the colleges screen, I've been spending a lot of time on this screen personally as I work with seniors who are getting ready for their very first big college application deadline. This is a tool I would encourage juniors to start using in the winter time, but of course, anytime, any year could begin using it. The super match tool is really nice. I will take the time to show you this carefully but quickly. You see at the top here, all of these are different characteristics that you and your child, so parents, you could actually do a super match, a search in your account too. But students, when you come in here, you can drill down and search for all of the colleges that you want and refine it by these characteristics listed here as you see fit. You can say something is a must-have or a nice-to-have, and then Naviance will start refining that list for you and telling you it's a 100% match, or maybe it's not a 100% match and why. And then Naviance will go a step further and say, based on your GPA, based on your ACT, this is how you compare to the schools as far as their freshman class that they just recently admitted. This is a great place to start thinking of the schools that I want to attend based on the major I'm interested in. There are college events that juniors and maybe even some sophomores might want to take some time to look at. Naviance is a place that colleges and universities throughout the United States can load virtual events that students can then partake in at their leisure. I know seniors, we have our uh, college visits on Naviance as well. I'm having a bit of a brain fart. Why? Oh, I think it's under. Give me a moment. Oh, you know what? I'm not demoing as a senior. My apologies. So under the senior tab for colleges, students would find the local visits of who's coming to us, and they would populate here, and they could register here, and they could find the join link here because all of these are virtual. So let's go back down and pretend that we're a junior this time. Other things under the college screen that a student could look at and do right now our enrichment programs. These are things that have come across our desk or our email that are opportunities for our students to participate in leadership programs, cultural diversity programs, programs related to specific majors like engineering, like the medical field, and so on. And these are things that your students, regardless of their grade, could look at and participate in at their leisure. Some of them do have an expense attached to them. Um, some of them are during the school year, virtual. Some of them are during the summer. We will continue to update this. This is the enrichment programs in Naviance. Oh, and the scholarships. I will hit on this briefly. We are using scholarships as the place to warehouse and hold all of the scholarship information that comes into our office for our students. This list will continue to blossom and grow as the year goes on. We would encourage students to check this regularly. And they can click on the title of one of these scholarships and then get more information listed there. So I won't go into much more detail other than, I wanted to introduce you to Naviance if you haven't been familiar with it or been introduced to it yet. So this is just a general navigation tour. Again, be curious and click around and look around. If you were to have any questions about this program or the tools within it, please do not hesitate to reach out to your school counselor. We do hope to meet with our students throughout the year to share additional information about Naviance and what they could or should be doing in the program. So thanks for your time today and good luck. Have fun researching and navigating.